Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Melinda's Messy Sink. Today's video is a little bit of everything. I have to admit, since we got back from vacation, I fell off the wagon about cooking. We have been eating out a ton. I can't do a what's for dinner video if I'm not cooking. So this weekend I did a little grocery haul. I have that for you today. And I also finally started cooking again, and I made a dessert. So I have all that wrapped up in this video with some fun announcements as well. So let's go ahead and get into our grocery haul. Tomatoes, green onions, 2 packages of Smithfield bacon. I had a Kroger's coupon for $1 off of each pack. 2 of the broccoli cheddar soups. I had a Kroger's coupon for $1 off each soup. Apples. Idaho potatoes, 5-pound bag. Strawberry glaze. 2 small cans of biscuits. Provolone cheese. This was free. I had a Kroger's coupon for free cheese slices. Gherkin pickles. Bread and butter pickles. Jalapeno slices. Peanut butter crackers. Eggs. Wide egg noodles. The Tostitos rounds. For soda, we have 4 for $11 of the Kroger Cola, peach, orange, root beer, and fruit punch. And we also have a bag of cat food. So I finally started cooking again yesterday, and we made pulled pork nachos, and we made a Hershey's chocolate cream pie. Falon from Family TV made the chocolate cream pie. I looked and looked for her video and I cannot find it. Maybe I'm dreaming that it wasn't her that made it, but I'm like 97% sure. I will link Falon's channel below. I did go on Pinterest and find a recipe for a Hershey's chocolate cream pie, and I will link that below as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and show both of those clips now, and I'll be back for one more announcement. Hey guys, Abraham missed you. He's eating like he normally does whenever I video. So if you hear him in the background, I apologize. Tonight we are going to use this Jack Daniel's pulled pork to make some pulled pork nachos here at the house. So just wanted to show you this this container. We got this at either Sam's or Costco. I can't remember which one. The directions for heating up is right here on the package. Super easy, and these are really, really good. It comes in with 3 individual packages. We will make probably one of these tonight for my husband's pulled pork nachos. So we are going to go ahead and get our pulled pork heated up and start cutting up all of our nacho condiments. While our pulled pork is warming up, I wanted to show you what we're going to be putting on our pulled pork nachos. We're going to use some lettuce, tomato, sliced black olives. I don't know how well you can see those in there. Some green onions, jalapenos, sour cream, some queso cheese, and a little bit of shredded cheese. We'll be back when we get everything plated up. And here is our platter of pulled pork nachos. Can you tell that that's my little plain Jane side? And then this is my husband's, loaded with tomatoes and lettuce and jalapenos and olives and green onions and sour cream. And this is what's for dinner at our house tonight. Pulled pork nachos. On to the next dessert. I have taken a deep dish frozen pie crust, and according to the directions, you want to let it sit and thaw about 10 to 15 minutes. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to poke the bottom of my pie crust and the sides. We are going to make chocolate cream pie. I saw this recipe, Falon made it on Family TV. I just love her station, or her channel. It's so just down to earth and just regular old people living life, you know, raising our kids, that kind of stuff. I just love it. So anyways, she made a chocolate cream pie out of Hershey bars. And like, that's like my favorite kind of candy. So and chocolate pie is like my favorite. So this is combining a couple of my favorite things. So what I'm gonna do is, the first thing is I'm just gonna bake off my pie crust according to the package directions on the back. There's one for cream pies down here at the, there's one for cream pies down here at the bottom. So I'm just gonna bake it and then let it cool completely, and then we'll be back to make our cream filling out of our Hershey bars. We are back and my pie crust is completely cooled. So now we're gonna start working on the pie filling. What I did was I bought a 6-pack of Hershey's chocolate bars, and then all we're gonna do is we're just gonna open them up and we're gonna break them into pieces. Maybe. There we go. Hey, can you guys see my fingernails, how they're 2 different colors? So this is the first time I've ever had this fingernail polish. It's color changing fingernail polish. The brighter orange means that my hands are warm. The darker colors means that my hands are cold. So if you happen to see that weirdness on the camera, I didn't want you to think that I just picked a bunch of different colors to put on my nails. All right, so all I'm gonna do is just break this up, and I'm gonna keep on going and breaking this up until I get all 6 of my candy bars done. All right, I've got my chocolate broken up for all 6 candy bars. I'm going to go over to the microwave and I'm gonna start melting this chocolate. I'm going to go at 50% power for about 45 seconds, then stir it and keep on going until I get a nice melted consistency. All right, I have all my chocolate bars melted. Now I'm gonna take just a tub of whipped topping that I have sat out to thaw, and I'm going to add it to my milk chocolate bars. Now we're gonna take our pie crust and we're gonna dump in our chocolate bar mixture. Sorry, this bowl is scraping around so much. I got bum arm here and it's hard to hold it out. I messed up my shoulder somehow, you guys. My husband's helping me support the bowl there. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a piece of plastic wrap and we're gonna lay over the top. And we're gonna kind of press down just a little bit so that there's not a film on top of that. Get all the air out from under there. We're gonna put this in the refrigerator for about 6 hours. Okay. Hey guys, it is several hours later and our pie has set up. And now it's the most important time to give it a taste test. I already have my Ready Whip shook up and ready to go as well. And here is our Hershey's chocolate cream pie. So let me just tell y'all, those pulled pork nachos were so good. They looked amazing on that platter, and then they tasted just as good. And the whole thing took maybe 10 minutes max to get together. highly recommend that Jack Daniel's meat. It was so good. And then we followed up those nachos with that Hershey's chocolate cream pie. We had some good eating yesterday. I bet you're wondering why I'm wearing this hat today. My last announcement for this video is March is my 1 year YouTube anniversary month. So I wanted to come on and let you guys know how much I appreciate each and every one of you. I cannot believe that I've been making YouTube videos for a year already, but the one thing that I know for sure is that I wouldn't be anywhere without you and all of your support. You all mean the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for following along today in my grocery haul, in some dinner and some dessert. I'll be sure to see you guys in the next one. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. Bye, y'all. Abe says bye too.